What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I show everyday people how they can make money with a cell phone, or as long as you got an internet connection. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on the latest videos. In this video, I am talking about total takeout. It may not be in your area, but it is. And if you are a driver, I'm going to show you a way how you can make extra money as a total takeout driver. Okay, so we already know by doing the deliveries, you're gonna get paid from tips. You're gonna get paid for your actual delivery. Well, what if I showed you a way how you can get paid just for pumping gas? There is an app called the Get Upside app, and I have an actual link down below. It is at cashbackatthepump.com. You go there, and then what you want to do, you're going to click on the gas station, okay? And you're going to select one. In this example, I'm just picking the Marathon at the top for the 12 cents. So just by pumping gas, they're going to give me 12 cents on the gallon just to pump gas. All you're going to do, click on the claim, visit that gas station within 4 hours, and then use your debit or credit card, and then upload your receipt. That's it. That's all you got to do. As you can see, I've earned $40.46. Real simple to do. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Claim the gas station that you're going to go to anyway, and then make some extra money while you're doing the deliveries. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have other videos on different topics in the future. I'm looking forward to help you out in the next video. Take care.